Are you retired and worried about how to manage your monthly expenses without stress? Don't worry, today's video is just for you. After working hard all your life, you deserve peace, comfort, and financial independence. In 2025, the government offers some of the best pension schemes that ensure a steady monthly income. Simple, safe, and guaranteed. These plans are not complicated, and you don't need to be a finance expert to understand them. Whether you want to support your family, pay your bills, or just enjoy your golden years, these pension schemes can make life easier. So stay with me till the end, because I'll share the top government pension schemes of 2025, perfect for retired people like you. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos on smart and peaceful retirement living. Why government pension schemes are the safest option. When it comes to your retirement money, safety is the most important thing. After years of hard work, no one wants to risk their savings. That's where government pension schemes come in. They are trusted, reliable, and fully backed by the government. These plans are specially made for senior citizens who want steady monthly income without worrying about market ups and downs. Government schemes are designed with stability in mind, meaning your money stays safe and you get paid regularly. You don't have to check the stock market or worry about investments losing value. The goal is simple: provide you peace of mind. These plans also have easy processes. You can open an account in your nearby post office or bank and start receiving income within months. Think of it as your reward for all the years you've worked hard for your family and your country. National Pension System, NPS. Flexible and reliable. The National Pension System, or NPS, is one of the most flexible pension options in India and Pakistan for public sector employees. It allows you to build your retirement savings over time, and once you retire, you get a regular monthly income. The best part? You decide how much to contribute and when. Even small monthly deposits can grow into a strong pension fund by retirement. You can choose to withdraw part of your amount and convert the rest into a steady monthly income. The NPS is perfect for those who want both freedom and safety. It's backed by the government, so your savings are protected, and the process is easy to manage online or through your local bank. This plan helps you stay financially independent, so you never have to depend on others for daily needs. Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, MIS. Regular monthly income. If you prefer a simple, tension-free plan, the Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, MIS, might be perfect for you. It's one of the most trusted options for retired people looking for stable monthly income. All you have to do is deposit a fixed amount in the post office, and every month, you'll receive a guaranteed return directly into your account. It's as easy as that. The post office system is safe, government-backed, and available in almost every area, making it accessible for everyone. There's no market risk, no complicated rules. You can visit your nearby post office, open an MIS account, and start getting your monthly payments soon after. It's ideal for retirees who want peace of mind and regular cash flow for day-to-day expenses. You'll always know exactly how much money is coming each month, and that's what makes it one of the most dependable plans. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS. Designed for retirees. The Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS, is another excellent option made especially for retired people. This government-backed plan offers quarterly income payments, meaning you receive a fixed amount every 3 months directly in your account. It's one of the safest options because it's designed only for senior citizens, people who need regular, predictable income. You can open an SCSS account easily in a post office or authorized bank with simple documents. The deposit amount earns a fixed return, and you can renew it after the maturity period. What makes SCSS special is its security and simplicity. You don't have to track investments or worry about returns. Everything is managed by the government system. This plan ensures that your retirement savings keep working for you, providing a consistent source of income while you enjoy your peaceful days. Choosing the right plan for you. Each government pension scheme has its own benefits, and the right one depends on your needs. If you want flexibility and online control, NPS is best. If you prefer simple, fixed monthly income, Post Office MIS is ideal. And if you want a senior-only, safe option with quarterly returns, SCSS is perfect. You can even combine two schemes for better balance. For example, use NPS for long-term savings and MIS for immediate income. The idea is to create a steady and worry-free financial system for your retirement years. No matter which plan you choose, the goal remains the same: to help you live comfortably, confidently, and independently. Retirement is not the end. It's the beginning of a peaceful, meaningful life. These government pension schemes can make that journey secure and stress-free. Don't wait. Choose the right plan today and make sure your golden years are truly golden. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and comment below which pension scheme suits you best. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on retirement planning, saving ideas, and monthly income tips. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay happy. Sunrise.